Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Advanced Coding Lab. Today I have a super cool Python trick for you using Lambda function with if-else. So basically today we'll learn how to write cleaner and more efficient code. Instead of writing a full function, we can define it in just one line. Let's check it out. Let's say we need a function that returns the maximum of two numbers. Traditional way would be, so here basically we have defined a function and we are passing two parameters. This works fine, but what if I told you we can do the same thing in just one line? So instead of defining a full function, we can use a lambda function like this. So here we go. One-liner function done. Let's break it down. A lambda function is an anonymous function in Python that can be defined in a single line. Here is the syntax. So here lambda arguments, then colon, then the expression. So in our case, lambda arguments, whatever we are passing, that is a comma b, then colon a if a greater than b, else b. A and b are the inputs here. The if else checks which number is bigger. The function returns the maximum of the two numbers. So when you call it by passing two parameters 10 and 20, it compares 10 and 20 and returns 20. Simple, right? Now let's test it with different numbers. It works perfectly and we saved multiple lines of code. So today we learned a powerful Python trick using Lambda with if-else to write a one-liner function instead of a full function block. Would you use this in your next project? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding.